It's hard times, and this is a poor man's soup recipe. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make this budget-friendly hearty soup. Stay tuned. I made spaghetti last evening, and usually I will use a 2-pound packet of ground beef for the sauce and make some meatballs. But with uncertain times, I'm trying to make the dollar meal stretch, and I passed on making the meatballs. Tonight I'm taking the rest of the ground beef and making what we call poor man's soup, a simple recipe for using staples you have in the refrigerator and items in the pantry. This is almost a pound of ground beef that I'm browning and chopping. For the vegetables, I'm using staples. I have 1 small finely diced onion, 1 large carrot, and 2 stalks of celery. Adding a pinch of salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, or you can use a teaspoon of garlic powder when you add the other spices. Use what you have. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then I'm adding in 6 cups of chicken broth. You can also use beef broth. This is 1 cup of tomato sauce, and I found some tomato ends in the refrigerator that I'm dicing and adding to the soup. In these times, you don't want to waste anything. Giving that a good stir and turning up my heat to bring this up to a simmer. For the spices, I'm making it real simple. I have 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, adding a little more black pepper, and 2 bay leaves. You could also use spices like thyme, marjoram, or even some Italian seasonings, whatever spices you like or have available. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. The soup is done. You can serve this with any pasta or rice. Tonight I'm serving with some macaroni. I did not cook the pasta in the soup because I know we will have leftovers and the macaroni tends to get mushy and fall apart. This poor man's soup is quick, easy, and you are using what you have in the pantry. I hope this soup recipe gives you some ideas of what you can create and cook in these hard times. Take care and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.